So we've given the boat and engines a lot of attention, but sometimes you have to give the trailer a little attention as well. We have some rusted out spots. We've got 4 new tires, and we've replaced some of the bunk hardware. We replaced the bunk hardware up top here, and on the other side we grinded out or off any signs of rust and painted it with some rust proofing or rust deterrent type of paint. Now we're waiting for the trailer crossbeam to arrive to replace this back crossbeam. As you can see, it's starting to rust through. Alright, so the trailer cross member arrived, and we have some supports set up, so hopefully the bunks won't slide out and the boat can be supported while I remove the back cross member, although there's 2 others holding it together which are in much better condition. So here's what we removed, and if you can see, this is pretty well done for. Didn't see that until it was removed. And the replacement fit perfectly. Now just gotta put the bunk supports up, clean up, and we're good to go. Alright, so the lesson here is don't forget your trailer. Rinse it off if you're in salt water with fresh water, and check for any rot, rust, and if you need to find replacements, they are available online. These ones I got at the Trailer Parts Superstore. Never done business with them before. But they got this to me pretty quick. Otherwise, Eastern Marine Trailer Parts Superstore. So I just gotta check the lights, make sure everything's grounded, because I did move around some wiring, but this part fit perfectly, and I couldn't find it anywhere else, including any of our local shops.